In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear lower control arm. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is make your way in the trunk and turn off your air ride suspension. The next thing that you'll want to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Continue on to removing your center cover. After you have that off of there, remove all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts and then the wheel. The next thing that you want to do is make sure you apply a little bit of support underneath your rear differential. Now let's make our way to the back side of the lower control arm. You're going to find that you have an 18mm head and a 21mm nut. Go ahead and remove that. We'll leave this in here a couple threads. Now let's make our way to the front of the control arm where it connects onto the frame of the vehicle. You'll find an 18mm headed bolt that makes its way through towards the inside. Inside this hole of the frame, there's a captured nut. So while we turn this bolt out, the nut should remain still, but it will eventually fall out once it's completely loosened. There's that nut. Now we can remove that mounting bolt. Continue on to removing your rearward mounting bolt as well. There it is, friends. Clean and inspect your mounting hardware. Now we can get ready for our installation. Let's put the front of the control arm in position and start the mounting bolt through. Let's make our way to the back side. We'll get that aligned and put in our rearward bolt. Once that's gone through, start that mounting nut on there. Make your way back to the front and install your mounting nut. Put this up through the slot onto the threading. We'll start threading this on. Once it starts, you can release that nut and continue tightening it. Once it's snug, torque it to 111 foot-pounds. Make your way to the back of the control arm, snug this and torque it to 111 as well. Once you've done that, continue on by removing your center support. Let's continue on to reinstalling the wheel. Start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts. Bottom them out. After that, we can get the wheel back on the ground and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. With the wheel safely on the ground, torque each of these lug nuts in a crisscross manner. Once your lug nuts are torqued, continue on with the center cover. All right, now let's make our way back into the trunk. Find the air suspension switch, switch it to the on position. After you've done that, go ahead and close the trunk, take your vehicle for a road test. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises, and get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.